Alright, this is a little quick Doom tutorial about upper and lower unpegged textures. Bro, this is crazy. This is absolutely insane, but yeah, okay. Quick tutorial about lower and upper unpegged textures and alignments in general. Okay, so what does this upper unpegged mean? I'm gonna make a little fort here, and I'm gonna make a hole here in the middle. Okay, and what am I going to do? I'm going to raise it and paste this texture, and I'm going to lower it a bit, and I'm going to lower it and do the same thing for the top. Okay, let me copy the marble texture here, here, paste, 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 paste. Okay. Okay, so what does lower unpegged mean and what does upper unpegged mean? I'm gonna make a little round thing here. Yeah. Okay. Going to auto align, and you're going to notice that some of the textures didn't align correctly. And why is that? Well, the reason for that is they are not tagged upper or lower unpegged. And what does that mean? When you say that a texture is upper unpegged, it means that the texture is going to lower from this part. It's going to be glued to the top. Do you see how this brick has a little seam here? Black seam connecting to the ceiling. If I do upper unpegged here, look at what happened. The same seam. Okay? And if you try to move the sector, you're going to notice that the texture doesn't move. You see? The texture stays the same because it's attached to the ceiling there. Whereas this one, which this doesn't have upper unpegged, so this one is going to move according to how you raise or lower the ceiling. So if you want to have very good alignment in boom maps and MBF maps, you need to use upper unpegged and also, of course, lower unpegged, which means that lower unpegged means that the texture is going to raise from the bottom, like that. You see? This one is lower unpegged, this one isn't. So if you want to align everything, you just need to lower and upper and then perfectly just press auto aligned. And you can see that here in the front, everything is perfectly aligned. Okay, you can select, hold shift and scroll to align perfectly to wherever you want to align. Okay, then you Control A again and everything goes back to the normal. And you see? And here in the front, this just a second because I'm really annoying. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep. Look at that. Perfectly aligned on the bottom. On the top, not perfectly aligned. I'm going to make a little ceiling around it just to fix it. Okay. Yeah, look at that. Perfectly perfect. But in the back, where everything is not unpegged, it just looks pretty bad. Okay, I'm gonna put it here in the middle just so we can see. See, in the back, looks pretty bad. In the front, looks pretty aligned. Okay, so a person sent me this map to show them how to align, and basically you can just select these parts which have holes in them, and you just click U for upper unpegged and L for lower unpegged, and you can align, and then you can carefully align them perfectly to the way you want them to be aligned. See? You also have to use like here and here if you really want to be perfectly aligned. You see? Lower unpegged, lower unpegged, lower unpegged. Okay? And you can be as annoying as you want with this, you know. I am a pretty annoying guy, so uh, I would do everything like this, you know. And now, look at that. Look at the difference from this to this. Control A. It's gonna align everything. U and L. Okay, this here too. Just always use lower unpegged when the floor is cut like this. And then you will probably need to do a lot of adjustments. You know, but it's worth it. It's worth it because the results are pretty nice. I think I'm gonna raise it, and then I'm gonna. Ain't nobody to touch me, I'm just so fresh and so fresh and so clean. Yeah, I'm in an outcast mood recently. Yep. Okay, so you just gotta be very careful and very attentive to detail. Okay? And it should turn out pretty damn fine. Okay? Don't forget to auto align again the textures inside. Okay? And don't forget to check if the heights here are correct. You just gotta be pretty careful about stuff, you know? But that's basically it. That's basically how you align things better in Boom and BF21. You can compare this side, which has been aligned, to this side, which hasn't, and you are going to see the difference. Okay? Uh, Anyways, that's our simple tutorial. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one. Bye bye.